So in this question it says that three identical amplifiers with each one having a voltage gain. So there are three identical amplifiers and voltage gain of each one is 50. Input resistance of each is 1 kilo ohm and output resistance of each is 250 ohms. These are cascaded. So we have to find the open circuit voltage gain of the combined amplifier in dB. So when three amplifiers are cascaded, then first we have to calculate the each voltage gain individually. So if we first we want to calculate the voltage gain of amplifier A1. So the voltage gain of amplifier A1 will be equal to AV into Ri2 upon Ri2 plus Ro1. So this is just using the voltage divider law, voltage divider rule. So we for the first stage we take the input resistance of the second stage and divide it by the addition of the input resistance of the second stage and output resistance of the first stage. So this is equal to 50 into the input resistance of each is having 1 kilo ohm. So it is 1000 upon 1000 plus 250. So this will be equal to 40. Similarly, A2 will be equal to AV into Ri3 upon Ri3 plus Ro2. The second stage will be equal to input resistance of the third stage divided by the input resistance of the third stage plus output resistance of the second stage multiplied by the voltage gain. So this is also using voltage divider rule. So this will also be equal to 50 into 1000 upon 1250. So this will again be equal to 40. Now for A3 there is no load resistance is given. There is no load resistance. So A3 will simply be equal to AV. So this is equal to 50. So overall gain will be equal to A1 is 40, A2 is 40, A3 is 50. So overall gain will be equal to the multiplication of these three gains. So overall gain will be equal to the multiplication of A1 into A2 into A3. The individual gains of each stage. So the gain of the first stage was 40, the gain of the second stage was also 40 and the gain of the third stage is 50 because there is no load resistance. So this will be equal to 80,000. So it is asking in dB. So in dB, the gain in dB. So just we have to calculate the gain in dB. So we have to convert this 80,000 to dB. So this will be equal to 20 log to the base 10 of 80,000. So you can solve it. So log of 80,000 is 4.9. So this is equal to 20 into 4.9. Log of 80,000 is 4.9. So this will be equal to 98 dB. So the correct option is option C, 98 dB. All these options are in dB. So just for overall gain, we have to calculate the gain of the individual stage and then multiply because these three amplifiers are cascaded. And for calculating the individual gain, we just have to use the voltage divider rule. So voltage divider rule has to be used. For calculating the gain of the individual stage.